Thank you for joining us. Cleatus coming at you live from Hunker 1. Yes, we're in the process of driving through northern Arizona and came across the large fire.
Oh, fire!
Yeah, I hope they're all hunkered. They ought to be protected by all of that wilderness, but you know, when fire starts cooking, you better start hunkering. There's my driver. There's Colin. And there's Grandma. Yes. Remember, for all your weather needs, you call 555-6969. We'll give you the best report in the land. That's how we do it here. There you go. Window won't go down.